Hi guys. My name's Gabby, and today for my physics presentation, I'm going to be talking to you all on how sea turtles use physics. And the physics topic that I'm going to be talking about is magnetic fields. So a magnetic field is a region surrounding a magnet or a magnetic material where the force of magnetism is present. Magnetic fields usually exist near the poles of a magnet. This is usually, however, they can also exist around the Earth. And then to the right, you'll see a picture that we're all really familiar with. It's a bar magnet showing the north and south poles and then the magnetic field lines that connect them. So back to how magnetic fields can exist around the Earth. So they do this through the Earth's magnetic field. So this extends from the Earth's surface into space and behaves really similarly to a bar magnet. It defines a magnetic axis for the Earth. It also has north and south magnetic poles. However, these aren't aligned with the Earth's geographic poles. And you can see this in the image to the right where you can see the axis that the Earth spins on, and then the more slanted axis which represents the actual magnetic field. And then again, you can see the magnetic field lines in blue. So what's interesting about the Earth's magnetic field is that some animals can detect it and use it for navigation purposes. Our book covers this really briefly and talks about migratory birds and how they use this in their migration patterns. But this poses a really interesting question, and that is, what other animals can utilize the Earth's magnetic field? And that is, you guessed it, sea turtles. So sea turtles are one of a lot of other different animals, but those are the ones I'm going to focus on today. But how, you may ask? So sea turtles return to the same beach every year to lay their eggs, and this is known as their natal beach. They do this by sensing the unique magnetic field of the beach that they were born. And this is because every beach has a distinct magnetic pattern that becomes imprinted in the sea turtle's brain, and this helps them find their way back to that beach as adults. So this phenomena is known as geomagnetic imprinting. And like I kind of mentioned before, it's basically where turtles imprint on the unique magnetic field of their natal beach as hatchlings and then use this information later in life to nest as an adult. And the phenomena of geomagnetic imprinting wasn't proven but was confirmed using data all the way back from 1993 to 2011 taken from Melbourne Beach, Florida. And that data confirmed this and also showed that shifts in the Earth's magnetic field influenced where the turtles nested. So this proves even more so that the magnetic field is really critical in the migratory patterns and the nesting patterns of the turtles. And then to the left, you can see some pictures taken from that study of an adult female loggerhead turtle. The top one shows her actually nesting, and then the bottom one shows her going back into the ocean after nesting. So that concludes my presentation. Thank you guys for watching. These are my works cited, and that's it. Thank you.